So as a professional pilot, I can say that undoubtedly that the Tamarack winglets make a difference. You see it in the fuel flow, you'll see it in your operational costs, and you'll see it in your ability to climb up to altitudes 410, 450, and some of the other CJs. Not only EASA, but you could do it at EASA plus 10, EASA plus 15, and there's no sweat with it. The ability to climb direct to those altitudes and reap those fuel savings are incredibly valuable to a pilot like me.